Hello friends, welcome to Pandit Invest. You are watching Pandit Invest YouTube channels, and today we will give you the update about the market that will going to open on Monday. And coming back, we saw this month Nifty made a low of 15,673 from the high 18,350, and from the previous high 18,605. Then the whole from down 18,605 to 15,673. We already saw the retracement of levels, and in the recent days the Nifty went to 16,757 high due to election result come out, and BJP won 4 states streak. So that is the relief rally because the war has still not yet paused and still going on. Today is the 17th day that Russian-Ukraine fighting, and Russians are still continuing the war and keep attacking on Ukraine. And this, if NATO and US, I don't think that other European countries and US or NATO will keep quiet for long. And if they start reacting, then already Russian given a threat that going to be a third world war. So if that begins, then our market, not only our market, global market will fall, and with respect to our market will fall further. And if that scenario started, then it will be worst scenario cases in our market, and we are going to see that the COVID levels again. There are 7,500 where Nifty made the low in March 2020. So if a third world war begins, then we can again going to see 7,500 on Nifty if started. So let's pray to God that war should stop from here, and 15,600 was the good support area. So we might see bounce from here if there is no more continuation of this war in coming week. Then 16,000 holding Nifty 16,300 closing basis this week, then we can see a good upside levels in Nifty and BankNifty. Regarding to BankNifty, if break 33,000 level or close below that level, then we might see go below the recent low 32,169. Then we might see 30,000 below level in BankNifty also, if scenario become more worst, as due to this war crude oil went all-time high, and gold's recent rally, I given a telegram channels to buy gold 15 days ago, that is before 24th of Feb when this was started. That time it was trading near 48,000, I think so, and now it went to 55,000 in gold. So gold going to be rise till 60,000, that is in fifth wave in gold. So we might see price 60,000 in coming 2 to 3 months in gold. And if this scenario happens or war going to be continue, the price of the gold and silver will rise much faster than this peak. So keep eye on global movement, keep stop loss in your portfolio. I'm not going to fear you because the recent development is just looking like that, and if Russians not stop here and keep attacking on Ukraine, and if they react, other countries start reacting from here, then the situation might go reverse from here. So what we have seen, the relief rally till now from 15,600 to 16,700, almost 1,000 points up in Nifty. So to move above, Nifty should hold 16,000 level in this week, and if break, then we can going to see 14,800 levels on the downside, and if third world war begins, then we might see below that level 12,000 or even 7,500 levels in coming 6 to 1 year, in the coming year. So keep a portfolio, because in from March 2020 to till now that all the stock have run massive run up from 1x to 10x, 12x, 15x. So we might get retracement 50% corrections in that stock, or even 80% come down if third world war begins. So keep pray from God. So this should not be happened, and war should stop from here, and we might see a good rally from here if Nifty hold 60,000, if a star pose from here, and we positive news from the market or global news. So if that happened, then closing above 17,000 only, we can see Nifty to 20,000 to 25,000 level on the upside, and in Bank Nifty if close of 37,000 on a closing basis only, then we can see 41 to 50,000 level on the upside. But till now it is a sell on rise rally, until unless Nifty holding below 17,000, we might see 14,800 on the downside, and in Bank Nifty we can see 28,000 level on the downside if trade holding below 37,000 levels. And in the only invest in the quality stock I have already given in my Telegram channels, and that is Tata Chemicals, Tata Powers, Nelco, to buy on installment basis, IRCTC for long term. So keep investing all the stocks, but also those who are having a huge quantity should avoid huge quantity and should have a little quantity and free from that, because the situation is not favorable to go long in huge quantity. You should start in SIP basis, 20 every month you buy 20 quantities in such quality stocks, and you will get if a situation given worse, then you can have a good opportunity to buy at lower levels. So keep investing in the market, don't stop. But if you are holding too much portfolio size, suppose 30-40, then reduce to 10 or even 5 until unless this scenario or war case not over. So keep watching or eye on the global market, what going to be happen. So for Monday, if most probably gap down opening look like, and 16,300 is the support for Nifty, and if that is going to break in or close below that level, then it might see below 15,600 levels on the coming week. So have a profitable investment and keep sharing this YouTube channels, and please subscribe the Telegram channels Pandit Invest. Thank you for watching it.